my left, this is a small size. I have the medium size here, which I'll be assembling, and to my right here is the large size. So to assemble the table, simply open the carrying pouch that it comes in.
Inside the pouch, you'll actually see two small pouches inside of here because there are two main components of the table. The first part is the table top here, which I'll be setting to the side for now. The second part are the table legs. So we'll want to start the assembly with the table legs. On the two outside corners are these bars that can rotate up and down. Simply grab the legs by these opposite corners and pull them to open the legs of the table open. To finish the assembly of the legs, you'll see on one end of the swinging bar there's a small hole. You'll want to line this small hole up with a tab on the opposite side of the table leg. So simply swing this bar down and align the hole with the tab on the table leg, and when it's pushed down, this part of the leg will be flush with the opposite side. So simply do the same thing with the opposite side. Match this hole up with the tab on the opposite side of the leg, push down, and now the leg is flush. So now we can move on to the tabletop. To open the tabletop up, there's this elastic band which you can just pull off. And then open the table up. This flat side is the top of the table. Now, the orientation of the table is important. You'll see on two sides of the table, there's this metal bar that runs along one side of the table. You will want to align this metal bar up with these tabs that run along the side of the table. So I match this bar up with the tabs on the side of the table legs, and they'll simply snap into place. So now I go to the other side of the table, and there's another bar along this side of the table. I do the same thing, line this bar up with these tabs on the table legs, simply push down, and now the table's assembled. If you're on the beach or having a picnic, you don't want your bag to blow away in the wind. So if you want, you can just take this pouch that the bag comes in and just tie a knot on the leg just so you don't lose it. And this is the aluminum Trichology table. I really like this table a lot if I'm camping, if I spill a drink on it or maybe some food. This is really easy to clean up. You simply wipe it off with a wet cloth, and this table is really easy to clean. Really love it for camping. As I mentioned earlier, this table does come in three different sizes. To my left, this is the small table, this is the medium-sized table, and to my right here is the large table. So now I'll show you how to disassemble the table. To disassemble the table, you simply do everything in reverse. Take the outer corner of the table and simply pull it up until this bar is released from these tabs. Now you want to fold the table up accordion style, like this, until you get to the other side, and then you'll just lift this side up off the table. Now the elastic band can simply be wrapped around the tabletop, and this can go back into the carrying pouch. Now for the legs of the table, you simply pull up on this horizontal bar of the table, fold it down to the other side. Take the opposite corners of the table legs, simply pull them together. That can go back in the bag. And that's it. This is the Trichology aluminum camping table. Thanks for watching.
The GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station is a must-have for outdoor activities. Designed with our patent-pending Slim Fold technology, the Cook Station takes up minimal trunk or storage space. The Slim Fold Cook Station sets up and breaks down in a flash with its hassle-free one-piece design. It features a heat-resistant aluminum countertop and a lower rack for storage. The 4 fold-out multi-use side tables serve as beverage, wine glass, paper towel, or garbage bag holders, and even as grilling utensil holders. Packing up is easy with our Easy Fold technology. Simply fold down the top shelf and side tables, push up on the shelf grid, and push the sides together. Use the carry handle for easy portability. Convenience and portability make the Slim Fold Cook Station ideal for outdoor activities,
Hi guys, let's go ahead and show you guys how it opens up. So the legs open up like this, and the legs will come out like this, and you just flop them in place, like that. Like that, and to lock them, you just push these little yellow tabs down, and they are down like this. Like that. Grab this little net here, and put it down like this. And this net is just great for storage. This net is going to be good for keeping trash off the ground, from the bugs. It's just going to be a really nice tool. Like that. And one more like this. Okay. I'm going to grab this. And it comes out. We're just going to put the 2 rings down here. One there. Sorry. Okay. And on the other end, same thing. Put it down on the ground. We'll just leave it just like that. And your table is done. Very nice. And also comes with the bag and the instructions to put it together. Very sturdy, aluminum, very lightweight. Pick up with one hand. You know, let's take it outside. So it's a beautiful day. We have the table set up. We have a bunch of snacks on it. It's very sturdy. And when we're done using the table, we can put all the snacks aside. Make sure to clear out anything on the bottom here. And we're going to lift this up. See that? And that should slide out from the base. Goes right back in the bag. Those little compartments in the bag. Okay. Now that's there. We're gonna take off this little bag here. Very easy. Put that at the bottom of the bag. And then you're gonna hit these 2 areas in, like that. We'll close in the legs. These will also help you adjust the table up and down when you're using it. Okay. And now when you bring it in, it will automatically start to close. And when you're done, it will slide right back in the case. You pull the little string and store it away. Take it anywhere you want. You put it in the back of your truck, you put it in your car, and when you need a table, it's right in this little bag. So try it out.
The GCI Outdoor Compact Camp Table 25 is the perfect camp table for 4 people. A unique one-piece design with patent-pending telescoping legs, the table folds down to half its size. The Compact Camp Table 25 is quick and easy to set up. Just pull legs down and rotate tabletop together for use. The Compact Camp Table 25 is designed with a lightweight aluminum frame that supports up to 60 pounds. When it's time to pack up, rotate the tabletop, then, using our patent-pending squeeze telescoping technology, squeeze the tabletop together and push down to compress. The Compact Camp Table 25 is ideal for camping, RVs, tailgating.
There's nothing like enjoying cold drinks with friends, cooking a meal, or playing cards in the great outdoors. That's why we've created our ultra-lightweight aluminum camping table. The camping table sets up in mere seconds and comes with a convenient carry bag. It's so easy to bring along with you camping, hiking, fishing, or to the beach. The camping table is built with an aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, so it's waterproof, rust-proof, corrosion-resistant, and easy to clean and durable enough to last for years. With 3 sizes to choose from, you're sure to find the right fit for your needs. Add a little luxury to your outdoor experiences with the Hitorhike camping table.